This clip demonstrates the miasmatic analysis according to Ortega as implemented in Radar Opus .2. When you have ordered the miasmatic analysis, you basically get two things. First of all, you get miasmatic tags that are attached to the different symptoms in synthesis. As you can see on this screen, there are three different tags, numbered 1, 2, and 3, colored blue, yellow, and red. These stand for psora, psychosis, and syphilis specifically. One symptom can have one tag, two tags, or, as you can see, sometimes three tags. The second part you get when you order the miasmatic analysis is a way to analyze symptoms. Normally, when we take symptoms, such as these symptoms we will take, they are all entered into one clipboard. Now, the first symptom, general exertion, physical exertion aggravates, is a psoric symptom, and that will go into the first clipboard, which is reserved for psoric symptoms. The second symptom, fear of ghosts, goes into the second clipboard, reserved for psychotic symptoms, etc. And this is different because normally when you take symptoms in the repertory, they all go into the one and the same first clipboard. This can be changed by changing the default analysis, for example, at the bottom of the analysis screen, as indicated by the arrow, by going to the Ortega miasmatic analysis. Okay, this is a short introduction. Now I will show you in practice how it works to analyze a case according to the miasmatic analysis of Ortega. Here is the symptom, exertion, physical aggravates with a miasmatic tag 1. When I hit +1 and I say take, then I get into this screen, the Ortega take window, where I can just hit enter another time, upon which the symptom will be taken into clipboard 1, which is psora. So I hit enter, and you see here that the symptom appears in the psoric first clipboard. Now I go to another symptom, which is mind, fear of ghosts, and this symptom has a 2, psychotic. When I do +1 again, I get to my options screen, and I'll show you another possibility, is that for a given patient, I could change the flag that has been indicated by default and say this has to be psoric as well. If I want to indicate the miasmatic tag with the change, I need to take the symptom by clicking on change. However, this time I will take the symptom fear of ghosts as has been set by default, so I click on the button accept, and now you will see that the symptom is added to the second clipboard. Accept, the symptom is added to the second clipboard. Now we go to the third symptom, which is mind, kill desire. This happens to be a syphilitic symptom with the indication of a red 3. I hit again the +1, and now I have decided, for example, that I don't want this window to show up again and again. And I will always use the predefined miasmatic tags. This is an option that I can indicate here. If I accept the symptom again, this is the last time I will see this chain Ortega take window with the options. This symptom is now added to the third clipboard. I go to the next symptom, which is head pain in the night, which happened to be a symptom with 2 miasmatic flags. Now, if I click +1 with the previous setting, I will not see the option take window anymore. In addition, the symptom will be added to the first clipboard because it is psoric, and as well to the third clipboard because it is syphilitic. I hit +1, and this is what happens. You see now a 2 in the first clipboard and also in the third clipboard. Now I go to the symptom mind jealousy. This is a 3 miasmatic symptom. When I add it, it will be added to all the clipboards. So instead of 2, 1, 2, I will now see 3, 2, 3 in the miasmatic clipboards, symptom clipboards. There is one other occasion, which is a symptom where no miasmatic flag has been added so far, like sleep during. It's a new symptom. Well, at that time, when I take the symptom by hitting +1 again, the take window appears and allows me to define the miasmatic flag on the spot. In this case, I will decide that this symptom is syphilitic. So I indicate a change and I click on the button change, and the symptom will be added to the syphilitic clipboard, and you see a number 4 appear here. So in this way, I can take all the symptoms with the default miasmatic tags, and even if the symptom doesn't have a miasmatic tag yet, I can indicate it myself. This is taking of the symptoms. Now the next step is going to the analysis, which I do by hitting F8, the quickest way. I am presented a pie chart where the colors show me which miasm has most of the symptoms. That is clearly the red part. And the red part, as you can read from this legend here, is the syphilitic symptoms. By default, the program is ready to analyze only the syphilitic symptoms, which I do by clicking on the analysis, and then I see here the 4 symptoms with a syphilitic sign, and I see that China as well as Lycopodium are covering the miasmatic part of my patient. This is the presentation of the functionality. There are many options and ways to make it work the way you would like. So there is another video clip which is explaining options in the miasmatic analysis. Thank you for your attention.